everyone, it's Donnie Lowy from Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. So today I'm going to be discussing with you how to do eBay arbitrage, how to set up a business where you buy products at the retail level, and of course you can always do it at the wholesale level if you'd like. But this business model, you're going to look for products that are being sold at stores, and you're going to list them on eBay for sale. So first of all, you should know there are apps out there that can help you do it. It's good to know that. Now, I would say something important when it comes to apps. You see, when it goes to Amazon, you can actually see right if Amazon is selling a product, what the sales ranking of the product is. You can get an idea how long it'll take you to sell the product, after fees, how much you can sell it for. So there are similarities with eBay, except there's no sales rank, as far as I know, for any eBay products. And here's another thing also. Amazon has almost, I would say, almost every product. There's millions and millions and millions of products. eBay also has a lot of products, but here's the thing. There's a reality, and the reality is that someone could have gone to eBay, looked for a product that wasn't available for sale. So since that product is never available for sale, of course they couldn't buy that product. And there would be no sales ranking, or not sales ranking, but any auctions, whether it's a buy it now auction or any completed listings, regular auction for that item. So when you see an item for sale at a store, whether it's a Target clearance item, a Walmart clearance item, an item being sold at Marshall's, have in mind that just because you go on eBay and you don't see a completed listing for that item, it doesn't mean that there isn't a demand for that product. If it's a product that was in demand at a store, I would assume that it's also going to be in demand online. Now, it might have fallen out of fashion, it might be a color or a size that people don't want, but that's something you have to explore, and that's something that you might decide to take a chance on. The important point is, just because the item has not been sold on eBay doesn't mean that there isn't demand for that item. As a matter of fact, you could, for example, have a Coach handbag, and that specific style was never sold on eBay, and someone might want it. You might go to Marshall's, see a really nice pair of 9 West shoes, and it's a great pair of shoes, but it's a style that either was made for the discount channel, because a lot of merchandise now is being made for outlets and for clearance stores, so you should be aware of that. So it might not be an item that other people had for sale and they were able to sell on eBay. You could buy that product and you might discover that you'll do well with it on eBay. Another thing to keep in mind, this is very important, someone might have sold the exact same item on eBay, but just might not have been able to actually sell it. I mean, they listed it for an auction, they put it at a buy it now price, and it didn't go. But you might actually do better with it. Why? Because you might write a better description, take a better picture. Your buy it now price might be lower. You might offer free shipping. You might have a better sales ranking, meaning a better feedback ranking from people from selling on eBay, and people might be willing to buy a product from you when they weren't willing to buy it from another eBay seller. See, if the product is being fulfilled through Amazon, there's really no issue, because people trust Amazon. But if it's a product being sold on eBay, people might trust one seller more than another seller. They might be willing to buy a product from one seller when they're not willing to buy it from another seller, and they might be willing to pay more from a seller who they trust, who has a really good feedback ranking. Now, as far as buying the merchandise to sell on eBay, you should go to every store. You should be hitting up department stores. You should be going to thrift stores. Garage sales are also good. The idea is that you want to look for items that are being sold either as an exclusive, and you might buy the product at the full price because it's an exclusive price. It's not available elsewhere. You sell it on eBay. You might be the only seller that has it. Or you go at a time when the department store or the store is having a very big sale. You buy it. Make sure you use coupons. Speak to the manager. You might be able to get a better price when you speak to the manager. I have heard stories from people who have gone to stores, spoken to the manager, and gotten an extra discount that wasn't published or advertised. And you can also go look at your local newspaper, go online, buy coupons. There are websites where you can actually buy gift cards and get the gift cards at a discount. So imagine you buy a discount card, a gift card, and you go and you use it at your local department store. So now you've given yourself an extra discount. And now when you list that item on eBay, you're going to be able to do a really good job of your retail arbitrage because you bought that product for less than most people could buy that product for. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. My website is closeoutexplosion.com. The next time you are in New York, you're welcome to visit my warehouse. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day.